Okay, today I am here to show you how to set up export and import an SQL file from one game server to another. Alright, let's get started. Alright, I'm gonna bring up Dark Lord. Well, not Dark, it's not the actual game Dark Lord, it's World of Warcraft private server, but it's non-profit. Let me see. Alright, well, I think it's this one. Start. Alright, you start your MySQL database. You open HeidiSQL. I'm using 3.3.5a. Template, creature template. Okay. Now, if you want to transfer specific creatures, see, I don't have the creatures I want in here. I got custom creatures from, let's say, from 2 all the way till, I think, 8 on the other server. This is the server I will be placing them in. Alright, I'm going to close this server down and open the other server now. Is it this one I went to? Oh my god, see, this is confusing sometimes. I don't know what server I was on. Okay, now I'll remember this time. Creature template. Okay, this is the server I want to export, and I want to import it in a Dark 1.1 server. Alright. This is my old 3.3.5 server. This can be done, but you've got to make sure that your tables have the same name as your table you're putting them into. I had problems before with my old version of 3.3.5a because the tables were faction A and faction H, and there wasn't that faction in the new table. So I had to change them to strictly just one and named faction. So what I did is I went in here and I deleted the one row that had faction H, and I left faction A and I changed it to faction, just faction. So just make sure that all your tables match. Like verified build, the old one said DB verified. I had to change that to verified build so I can export from that one into the next one. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to copy specific creatures over to another database. I need these creatures in my next database because they're custom. Any custom items you can select like this. I'm going to select the top one. Don't hold shift if you have like rows in between you don't want. If you want to select, basically you hold control down and you can just select multiple ones and then right click and export. But what I'm going to do right now is click one and hold shift down and click there, and it'll copy every row in between. So what I want to do now is export. I don't want to export these two, I don't think. Let me see. 3 and what's 3? Flesh Eater, yeah. I don't want 3, so I'll shift click this. I don't want 3 and I don't want 6. Them are the 2, right? Yep. I don't see. I have Siege, Peacekeeper, Vendobot, Vendobot, Vendobot. Them are my custom, crafted by me. Alright, right click, export grid rows, SQL inserts. You want to select. This is version 8.3.0. Alright, now you don't need to, you just make sure your selection of rows are selected, not complete. Because if you do complete, it'll copy over the ones you have in your new database made. So what we do is hit OK, and it should make the new NPCs. See, it's right there, right in the bottom. Well, you're not getting the whole picture, sorry about that, but yeah, I saved it to my desktop. I close HeidiSQL, stopped my SQL server, close. Now this is, alright, that folder. You open your new server you want to import them into. Start it. Start my HeidiSQL. Now you want to run query. So you click on query. You make sure you have your tab you want to put them into selected. Otherwise, it'll say error. Like creature template, you have query open. Okay. Now you drag and drop the SQL file that you created from your old database, and I'm going to show you that I have all the creatures I wanted in here right here. Right click, run, and it'll tell you if you had any errors. But make sure if you have errors, you can select this to where it doesn't stop on batch additions. But it's better if you don't, because sometimes you'll have errors in your whole system. Alright, no errors, I'm good. Now I can go in and check for my new queries. Go to data, refresh. See, there's my new queries. 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. This is the server I showed you beforehand. First off, my Vendo bots, Siege Peacekeeper, all within the 4 Vendo bots. So there you go. Your new NPCs are added, and you're good. You can do the same with item template. Pretty much all of them. Alright, just make sure you don't copy the version over, because you copy the version over, you're going to have errors. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe and keep up on my videos.